Hey there, amazing nurses. Today I'm diving into the must-have skills every nurse should have to excel in this incredible profession. Whether you're a seasoned RN or just starting out, these skills are essential for providing top-notch care and making a real difference. First up, communication skills. Being able to effectively communicate with patients, families, and colleagues is key. You'll need to listen actively, convey information clearly, and show empathy. Remember, a little compassion goes a long way. Next, critical thinking. Nursing isn't just about following orders, it's about assessing situations and making quick decisions. You'll often need to think on your feet, analyze data, and come up with the best course of action. Trust your training and instincts. Time management is another big one. Juggling multiple patients, medications, and procedures requires excellent organizational skills. Prioritize tasks, stay organized, and don't be afraid to use checklists. Time management can make your shift run smoothly and reduce stress. Don't forget about technical skills. From administering IVs to using advanced medical equipment, you'll need to be proficient and stay updated with the latest technologies. Continuous learning is part of the job, so embrace it. Leadership and teamwork are crucial too. Whether you're leading a team or collaborating with others, strong leadership and teamwork skills ensure effective patient care. Be dependable, supportive, and always ready to step up when needed. Lastly, self-care. This might sound surprising, but taking care of yourself is essential to taking care of others. Nursing can be physically and emotionally demanding, so make sure to recharge, seek support, and practice self-compassion. So there you have it. Communication, critical thinking, time management, technical skills, leadership, and self-care. Master these, and you'll be an unstoppable force in the nursing world. Thanks for watching, and stay awesome.